More trouble for Gurunath Mayappan. Tamil Nadu CBCID is likely to summon N. Srinivasan's son-in-law sometime next week. The Tamil Nadu police has gathered a set of evidence from the Mumbai crime branch. And we've got Shabir Ahmed joining us with more details. Yes, Shabir, what is this chain of evidence that the CBCID have got?
Well, sources have confirmed to Times Now that next week they will be summoning Gurunath Mayappan in connection with the IPL betting scandal. So far, sources in the Tamil Nadu CBCID have told Times Now that they have received one set of documents and evidence that links to the trial link between Gurunath Mayappan, Bindu Dara Singh and Vikram Agarwal. So they are now pursuing those documents, and another set of documents they will be receiving this week. And once those documents are studied, then probably they will be summoning BCCI Chief N. Srinivasan's son-in-law Gurunath Mayappan. BCCI chief was forced to step aside from his post after Gurunath Mayappan's name cropped up in this entire IPL betting scandal. And now there is more trouble because the Tamil Nadu CBCID is pursuing this case very seriously. As far as sources are concerned, after Vikram Agarwal, there was some kind of slope in this entire investigation. And now, once again, the investigation has regained a new force after they have received evidence from the Mumbai crime branch about Gurunath Mayappan, Bindu Dara Singh and Vikram Agarwal. Back to you.
Now, Shabir, do we know the nature of the documents that has been accessed by the Tamil Nadu CBCID?
Well, when Vikram Agarwal was interrogated by the Tamil Nadu CBCID could not get much information from him. They couldn't extract much information from him because he was a tough nut to crack. That is what we have been told by our sources in the CBCID. But at the same point of time, the Mumbai police had given the Tamil Nadu CBCID certain documents relating to the mobile phone transactions, the transcripts of the conversation between Gurunath Mayappan, Bindu Dara Singh and Vikram Agarwal, and the entire transcript of their interrogation that was conducted by the Mumbai crime branch. So those evidences, those documents have been shared with the Tamil Nadu police, and now Tamil Nadu police is carefully studying these documents, and once these documents are studied, then they will go and summon Gurunath Mayappan, is what we are told.
Thanks for that, Shabir.